Hey guys, if you want to access Leonardo AI for free for 1 month, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open up your browser, and then basically what you're gonna do before you log in with Leonardo AI, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here the people's inquiry. So one of the questions is, can I use Leonardo AI for free? And you're gonna see the answer right here. Sign up for a free account on Leonardo AI's platform, and access the new AI image tool. And Leonardo.ai automatically sets you up on its free plan when you sign up. So no worries, you can access the free plan for free. Okay, so just simply log in using your account, okay, using Gmail, whatever that might be for you, and you're gonna be able to access their features, right? So just simply get started, right, and wait for a few moments and log in. If they ask you to log in using your Google or manually, just go ahead and start logging in using your account. Okay, so just try to log in again, right, and you're gonna see the platforms that you can sign up from. I'm gonna use my account, all right, and wait for a few moments, and then you're gonna be able to access their new features. So that's one of the comments. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on all the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.